Games and Giggles! Hey, welcome to episode 253 of Games and Giggles. I'm your host, Miss Rylee, and guess what? We're doing something super special today. We're going to take a trip back in time to replay one of our favorite episodes, episode 178, which had a theme all about shapes. Think of it like watching your favorite movie again, except this time, you might have different answers to our games than you did before. And if you're new to our podcast family, this is your chance to join in on some amazing fun you might have missed. So, whether you're hearing this episode for the very first time or remembering it from before, get ready to play along. Let's jump right into this blast from the past, all about different shapes. From circles to stars, triangles to hearts, we'll be spotting shapes, playing shape games, and having a super fun time exploring the wonderful world of shapes together. Let's jump right in. First up on the list of games for today, it's time to play I Spy with My Little Eye. I will ask you to find something, and you will have 10 seconds to look around and try and find something that matches the question. If you find something quickly, try and look around and find another thing that matches. Are you ready to play? Okay, let's go. Number 1. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a circle. Number 2. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a square. Number 3. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a triangle. Number 4. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a rectangle. Number 5. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a star. Number 6. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a diamond. And number 7. I spy with my little eye something shaped like a heart. Next up, let's test your shape knowledge with true or false trivia. I will read a statement, and you will have 6 seconds to guess if that statement is true or if it's false. Are you ready? Let's start with question number 1. True or false? A square is also a rectangle. The answer is true. A square is a special type of rectangle with all sides being equal. Number 2, true or false? There are only 4 basic shapes: circle, triangle, rectangle, and square. The answer is false. There are many basic shapes, including pentagon, semicircle, parallelogram, octagon, and more. Number 3, true or false? All triangles have the same corner angles and are the same shape. The answer is false. Triangles can be equilateral, isosceles, or obtuse with different angles and side lengths. Number 4, true or false? A pentagon has 5 sides. The answer is true. Penta means 5, so a pentagon is a shape with 5 sides. And number 5, true or false? The stop sign shape, an octagon, has 10 sides. The answer is false. An octagon has 8 sides. Oct means 8. Now it's time for some shape-tacular jokes. Why was the triangle sad? Because it had too many points to make. What's the most useless shape? A circle. It's pointless. What do you call a pizza in the shape of a cookie? A pizza. Where do shapes go if they committed a crime? A prism. And why don't circles ever get angry? Because there's no point. And for the final game for today's episode, let's play a brand new game called Shape Detective. I'm going to describe everyday objects by the shapes that often make them up, but I won't tell you what the object is. Your job is to be a clever detective and figure out what I'm describing. I'll give you 6 seconds to solve each mystery shape. Put on your detective hat and let's get started. Shape Detective Game 1. I am thinking of something that has a large rectangle on the bottom, a triangle on top of it, and a small rectangle coming out of one side of the triangle on top. On the inside of the square, there's usually a smaller rectangle touching the bottom and small squares throughout the square. What could it be? The answer is a house. The rectangle is the main part of the house, the triangle is the roof, and the small rectangle is the chimney. The rectangle inside is the door, and the squares are the windows. How'd you do? Okay, let's move on to Shape Detective Game 2. I'm thinking of something that is small, thin, and it's a long cylinder. At one end, there is a small circle, and at the other end, it's shaped kind of like a triangle. What could it be? The answer is a pencil. The long cylinder is the body, and the circle is the eraser side, and the triangle is the sharpened end side. Shape Detective Game 3. I am thinking of something that is a half circle with the round part of the half circle facing down. On top of the flat part of the half circle is a long, skinny rectangle sticking up from it. Attached to one of the sides of the long, skinny rectangle is a large triangle pointing to the left. What could it be? The answer is a sailboat. The half circle is the boat, the long, skinny rectangle is the mast, and the triangle is the sail. And the last one, Shape Detective Game 4. I am thinking of something that is a long isosceles triangle with the far point being towards the bottom of the page, and then multiple circle shapes stacked on top of this triangle shape. The answer is an ice cream cone. The isosceles triangle is the cone, and the circles on top are the ice cream scoops. Wow, what a fun and shape-filled day we've had today. From circles to stars, squares to hearts, we've explored so many amazing shapes all around us. This is Miss Rylee signing off from Games and Giggles. And remember, if you want more fun audio for your Yoto and Tonybox player, head over to mamabearaudio.com to learn more and sign up for free audio each month. Tune in tomorrow for more games, jokes, and giggles. Goodbye for now.